Okay, so now you want to set this piece aside. You want to take a piece of Decaville heavy, and I got a Q-tip. It says to fuse it around this hole, but I don't like putting heat on my cork, so I got a Q-tip, one of these, and some fabric glue, and I'm just going to glue it on there. Just put a little bit on there. And this is going to go over the part where the female part of your magnetic snap is going. So just hold it down there for a little bit. Let it stick. Let's do its thing. Take your female part, which is that part there. That's the female part because it's got the innie part on it. You want to put the female part up, and you want to stick the prong in that hole. That Decaville is going to give it some protection over time, because if you don't put something there, over time from opening and closing that snap, you can rub a hole in your cork. So I'm going to get this. And we are going to put this part of the die in here. Then we want to see it? Looks like that. And you want to put that over that. And then you're going to set this on there. And then you just press down. And there you go. It's in there. Now I gotta find that other piece. That one on there. So we want to take our inner piece . And this piece that we made, we want to put this one on the bottom, line it up, clip it. You're going to sew all the way around the wallet at 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. And I'm starting at the bottom. right, we are almost done with this wallet. You should have a hole punched up here, and it should go through here. You want to take your male piece, and you're going to put it through here, like that. Then you're going to take this little end cap piece that looks like that, and you will place it on there. And then place it under your die. Press down. And you have your wallet. And that is the Amber Angular Wallet Laser Cut Kit. If you would like to purchase this, you can go to MaryBethMadeIt.com. Purchase the kit. She has several different colors of cork, and I believe she even has it in vinyl. It is a cork, vinyl, or leather wallet. It is not made for quilt cotton. It does have raw edges. I'm gonna edge coat the edges, trim this extra stuff off and edge coat the edges later. I'm not gonna do that right now. But this is a very cute wallet. I just love it. Just love it. It turned out very pretty. I love the sunflowers. So that is it.